So yes, you heard it right. This is Android 16 first public beta available for supported Pixel devices, Pixel 6 or later. If you want to try out Android 16 right now, you can with the help of OTA. But keep in mind that this is a public beta. Yes, it is beta. It's not stable, so you might get some bugs, and also some of the bugs I found, I will let you know. First of all, as this is Android 16, I have installed on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. If your device is enrolled in beta program, then you might also get the OTA update. This is Android version Baklava, as you can see, and this is Android 16. The version name is already revealed, and I've already shared that with you in my previous videos. And if you click here, we finally have this new Easter egg. In previous updates, basically the two developer versions were released previously before that, and it had Android 15 logo, Android 15 Easter egg in this case. But yes, we finally have Android 16 Easter egg included. Just holding down a bit and you will see this new Easter egg with that similar kind of game, you can say, which is available with Android 15 also. Everything else is just already included in this one. So I'll let you know everything which is included with Android 16. So make sure to like this video already, and I will move into some of the things. First of all, whenever you restart your device, you will see this sort of animation. It was not there with Android 15 as far as I know. And yes, it is. I'm not exactly sure. I have mixed feelings regarding that. How it is looking. Is it good? Is it not? Let me know in the comment box. Another one is, if you take a look at this, we have Android system icon, you can say. This is now also updated to Android 16. Previously it was V shape, which was Android 15, and now it is changed to make it look like Android 16. Also, one more change, you will find that in navigation mode, if you enable 3-button navigation, now we have the predictive back animation support with the 3-button navigation. Some of you might not use the full screen gestures. So yes, predictive back animation is already part of Android 15, Android 16 also. Gesture navigation already have the similar predictive back animation, but in this update we have 3-button navigation also supports predictive back animation. This is the part of the latest Android 16, but everything else is same. But one thing, let me tell you, that predictive back animation is now updated, which means it supports more apps, you can say. For example, this wallpapers and styles section available in the settings app, because this is already a third-party app. This is just integrated in settings, but this is actually an app. And as you can see, if you are using Android 15, you can simply notice that predictive back animation does not work there in previous updates, but with Android 16, it finally works. Also, I tried it with some of the third-party apps like this Brave browser. Yes, it is working, and maybe more Android apps will be compatible with Android 16's predictive back animation. Might be amazing, might not be, but yes, it is what it is. Also, in the app section, you will notice that we have a new option available named as contacts storage. This is nothing new although, but this is just available in app section. If you try to save any contact in Google Contacts app, you have the similar kind of UI. But this option is available in the settings and app section. So that is why I just wanted to let you know. Keyboard also have a minor change, which is actually already a part of Android 15's beta update, but because some of you might not aware of, so let me tell you. For example, if you have multiple languages, then you have the option for language switcher at the bottom right, as you can see, because this is enabled by default if you use Android 15 stable version, if you are using that. But if you do not have the multiple languages, now we do not have the language switcher icon anymore. Personally speaking, I just love this thing. I needed this thing, and yes, it is here. It is working fine. I need this thing because it is so good. One thing which is a part of Android 16, although not a part of Android 16 beta 1 for now, is the live activities on the lock screen, you can say. This is the part of Android 16 according to some developers, although it is available in the code base, not available for the public yet in beta 1. This is not live yet. You can say live activities, which is similar to iOS live activities, although not so sure how it actually works, which apps are compatible. We will actually find it out later on, but for now this is what we have. Also, if you are looking forward to this new quick settings panel, which I also shared that with you on my Telegram channel, which is of course also all a great thanks to the developers for this one. This is unfortunately not present with Android 16 beta 1 yet. And yes, because this is also not present. Why so? Because this is beta 1. Most of the features comes with beta 2. So not so sure if we will see this or not, but this is what we have. Now, taking a look at the bugs, one of the bugs which I found here, if you're able to notice a quick settings panel, the clock at the top left and also some network carrier things, these are not visible. This is a bug which I found in quick setting panel. We have minor bugs more here and there, but this is one of the major ones. Personally speaking, I don't like it. But you also have the release timeline. Let me show you. If you're able to notice, we have Jan update already available, public beta 1. In February, we will see public beta 2, where you will see some feature drops or you'll see some new changes in Android 16. Not so sure, but maybe. And with March, we will see platform stability. And somewhere in April or maybe just later on, you will see Android 16 stable is coming very, very soon. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.